Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Amazon. So before doing that, of course, you would like to have a Shopify store, Amazon Seller Center, and also products that follow Amazon rules, because not all products follows Amazon rules. So you need to keep that in mind. And if you don't have Seller Center, the integration will not be possible for you. So basically, you will not need the normal Amazon, you'll need Amazon Seller Central. So now if you do have that, all you need to do, just go and you'll need to check if you have Amazon installed or not. Normally you didn't have it, but you never know. You can go to this list panel, click on settings and click on sales channel. Once you click on it, here as you can see, I do have only Google, YouTube, online store, and points of sale. So if you don't have that, you'll need to click on Shopify App Store and you will need to go and download Amazon. So now let me just go here and type Amazon like Seller Central, or you can just type Amazon. And as you can see from here, you wouldn't find any app by or made as example by Amazon itself. You will find some apps that's made by other people. It will still does the job. Like as example, this app will let you import and sync products from Amazon Seller Central. This will let you import products from Amazon Seller Central account and etc. So you have here all the apps. You can go and click on any of them, see if they have good rating, depending on the rating, and see if the free plan is good for you, or if you want to pay, as example, for a better plan. It's totally up to you. So as example, this one free 4 stores in their trial period and up to 25 SKUs. So example, this works for me. Of course, normally these apps are not very good choice. It would better to do it manually, like syncing products manually, basically transferring any product from Amazon to Shopify or from Shopify to Amazon manually. But of course, this will take some time. As I said, it's just the best way. If you want to use an app, you can do that. Like this one, as you can see, you can just go here and click on Connect Amazon. Once you do it, you'll have to select the region and enter the seller ID. So as an example, for me, I'll have, of course, to select here in the region. And of course, as you can see, all the regions that I have is pending some registration. And here is my seller ID, as you can see. So I can go right here. Where's it? Here we are. And I can go and enter my seller ID and the region that I want, then go and click on save and connect. So for you, you'll have to go and get your seller ID and come here as example, enter it and click on save and connect. Normally, for me, I should not be able to connect because as I said, I'm still pending like registration on all the regions at the moment. But for you, you would want to do this connection if you have it already done. So if you have it done, just go and connect it and it should be connected here depending on the regions that you choose. And of course, from here, always on Amazon, you'll be able to edit some stores that you connect. You'll be able to delete, disconnect if you want to. You'll be able to add other regions and etc. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to pull and push if you want to. You'll be able to sync products. You can do it as example to be automatically. You can set it on and stuff. So this is an example, or as I said, using this specific app. There are other apps that can help you as example. So I did not try all those apps, so I'll not ensure that they are 100% working or not. So you'll basically have to try them by your own. As I said, there is no official app at the moment that is made by Amazon that will let you sync products and do the connection, and it's 100% like very good and very safe. Normally, those apps are safe since it's already published at Shopify App Store, so you don't have to worry about it. But of course, it's not optimal. As I said, if you don't have many products, it's better to do it manually, and it might get better for you if you do it that way. So I guess that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.